Hi, I'm Mike with Altech, and thank you very much for stopping by our booth here at MD&M West. Altech has a wide variety of unique products, such as our stack lights that are modular and will allow you to change the configuration at any time you need. Products like our Geos that has a tongue and groove sealing system and will allow you to take the entire lid off the cover while you build it, with unique features like a slide-in component system. You can slide your rail of components out whenever you need to work on it. We have a wide variety of things like smart relays, power distribution blocks, relays. We're one of the only ones that still has a toggle switch, disconnect switch. We have a wide variety of power supplies and UPS systems, both DC ultracapacitor and battery based. Altech also has new and unique products like our motor disconnect switches that will allow you to put it in any 22 or 30 or 22 millimeter hole and quickly snap it on and off for service. We also have unique enclosures that are touch safe for your clientele so that they can only operate the components that they need to without accessing the terminals.